Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now in this video, we will be talking about the top Holi Stock Picks from Sharekhan and Centrum Broking. Please watch this video to know more. Also friends, if you are benefited by the content on this channel, please don't forget to share this video because it could also help other people going ahead. Now the stock selected by Centrum Broking is Capital First Limited, which is available at 668.50, and the target price here has been kept at 919.00. The symbol for the stock is CAPF, and it is an India-based financial company which is focused on providing debt financing to micro, small and medium enterprises. This is also involved with Indian consumers and provides products like personal loans, business loans, loan against property, two-wheeler loans, pre-owned car loan and insurance. Now the one-year chart reveals that this stock has not done much throughout the entire year. The market cap of the company is 6,614.65 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 28.47, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 23.48, which is much cheaper compared to the industry PE of 44.04. The book value is 226.25, which translates into a price to book ratio of 2.95. The dividend yield is 0.39, whereas the promoter holding is low at 35.58. The 52-week high for the company is 901.85, whereas the 52-week low for the company is 582. Now the first stock among Sharekhan's recommendations is Arvind Limited, and it's currently available at rupees 414.80. The target price here is 500 and the symbol for it is ARVIND. Now Arvind Limited is a textile company, and the company's principal products / services are finished fabrics and garments. Its segments are textiles, brands and retail, real estate and also others. Now the one-year chart again reveals that this company has not done much throughout the entire year. The market cap of the company is 10,727.44 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 8.53, which translates into an expensive price to earnings ratio of 48.63. Now this is much more expensive compared to the industry PE of 33.42. The book value is 125.36, translating into a price to book ratio of 3.31. The dividend yield is 0.58, whereas the promoter holding is below average at 42.92. The 52-week high for the company is 478.50, whereas the 52-week low is 353.25. Now the second stock on the list is Supreme Industries Limited, which is available at 1191.70, and the target price here has been set at 1450. Now the symbol for this stock is SUPREMEIND. Now the Supreme Industries Limited is engaged in the manufacturing of plastic products. The company operates in two principal segments, plastics and construction. Now the one-year chart again reveals that this company was on a consolidation mode for the major part of the year, but of late there was a spike, but again in the recent market correction this company has again fallen. The market cap of the company is 15,137.79 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 29.18, which translates into a price to earnings ratio of 40.84, which is slightly more expensive compared to the industry PE of 37.63. The book value is 122.29, which translates into a price to book ratio of 9.74, which is very expensive. The dividend yield is 1.26, whereas the promoter holding is average at 49.70. The 52-week high for the company is 1476, whereas the 52-week low is 865. Now the final company on the list is Gujarat Gas Limited, which is available at 866.90, and the target price here is 1005.00. The symbol for it is GUJGAS Ltd. Now Gujarat Gas Limited, formerly GSPC Distribution Networks Limited, is engaged in the natural gas business in Gujarat. The company supplies PNG to over 11,900 commercial and non-commercial premises across the state of Gujarat. It supplies PNG to approximately 2,835 industrial customers in Gujarat, covering all the industrial zones across the state. Now the 1 year chart reveals that the company went up towards the initial part of the year, but since then has largely been flat. The market cap of the company is 11,935.31 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 18.78, which translates into a price to earnings ratio of 46.16. Now this is much more expensive compared to the industry PE of 36.85. The book value is 119.47, which again means that this is available at a price to book ratio of 7.26. The debt to equity is 2.0149, whereas the return on equity is 0.1278. The dividend yield for the company is 0.35, whereas the promoter holding is above average at 60.89. The 52-week high for the company is 978, whereas the 52-week low is 527.20. Now friends, please don't treat any of these as stock recommendations from us. Please go ahead and do your own research. And this is all what we wanted to show you for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with another video.